My name is Izzy. I am a theatre and film director and a musician. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a film trailer out of one of our books for Bookfest. By the end of this workshop, you'll be able to make a really exciting and fun trailer for one of the books that you guys have chosen. So, my question is, what makes a film trailer really exciting? What makes you want to go and see it in the cinema? I'd love you to have a short conversation with some of your friends about what might make you want to go and see a film. Pause the video and come back to me in a second. I also had a brainstorm, and some of the things I came up with were humour, being kind of told what vaguely is going to happen in the film, but not providing all of the answers, because you still want people to come and watch and see what happens. Being introduced to all the characters and who might be leading us through the story. Being shown short, exciting moments in the film, and being told why it's worth watching. Film trailers use a lot of describing words, adjectives, in order to get you to come and see the film. I want you to think about what some of these describing words might be to describe the book that you've chosen from the Bookfest. So it might be mysterious, exciting, action-packed, scary, funny. Take a moment to have a conversation with your partner and list what describing words you might use for your film trailer. What are the key things that you'd like your audience to know about in terms of the story of the film? I'd like you to take a moment with your partner to have a conversation about what 3 things you think should be included in your film trailer. Pause the video and come back to me in a moment. Great, so you're now ready to create your film trailer. What we're going to be doing is we're going to have to include some main points in this film trailer. So it's worth making a list of these before we move on. The first are the characters that we're going to include, the main storyline, where the action takes place, moments in the book that you'd like to illuminate as part of the film trailer, and 5th, why in the first place they should go and watch the film. For this, you're going to need a storyboard. A storyboard is a grid of squares, and in each square you're going to be talking about what is going to happen in every single shot of your film trailer. So what I'd like is for you and your partner to take a moment to get a piece of A4 paper, flip it into a rectangle and make 6 squares. You may need to do another one of these as well if you have more shot ideas for your film trailer, but start with 6 to begin with. Great, so now we're ready to make our film trailer. So what you're also going to do is you might draw a picture and also then write in the bottom of your squares what is happening, and that'll be really helpful when you refer back to the storyboard when you're filming. So in box 1 we're going to be introduced to our characters. In box 2 we're going to have a look at where the story is located. In box 3, what is the story about? What is actually going to happen? Box 4, something that happens in the story that is really exciting. Box 5, another thing that happens in the story that's really exciting or funny or action-packed. And box 6, showing all the characters together again to remind us what the story is about and who is in it. Great, so now you have your storyboards. In your groups, I want you to take turns to film everyone's trailer. And you're going to follow all of the shots that you have lined up in your storyboard. You can also do this as a drama activity, which might be really fun to begin with, where you direct your classmates to act out every single box of the storyboard before filming it. This will be really, really fun, and you can have a lot of fun playing with different voices and body shapes and how you might create these worlds in your classroom. So take 10 minutes for this. I'm going to let you pause the video and I will see you in a moment. Hello again, well done team. So not only have you adapted a book into a film trailer, you've also brought it to life with your classmates. You should be really proud of yourselves. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and thank you so much for joining me, Izzy, on how to adapt a book into film.